Hey there internet, it's your local lizard back with another Fall Guys tips and tricks video. Now that I have a microphone, I can go through the plethora of footage that I recorded while I was gone and start reviewing things. So today we're going to review the Neon Star Diner made-to-order series specifically, but this also had a main release last year in 2019. The original release sold out in seconds in a lot of cuts and colorways. It was incredibly popular and it was definitely steep at first to acquire secondhand. So when they did a made-to-order, I decided to jump onto it. I can't quite recall, but I think the made-to-order actually happened in 2019, but I did not receive the dress to review until 2020. We're going to speed on through the actual unpackaging process. I purchased the skirt, the jacket, and the head bow, as well as a few accessories, including some hair clips from the Little Witch series, and a neon logo bracelet. So let's go ahead and get into the reviews and see what we think about the entire series. One of the things I picked up for the series was actually these Little Witch hair clips, which the first thing I want to point out is we have new tags. Yes, new tags, and they actually match the new hot pink bags. They're a dark pink with the iconic AP bow on them and the new logo font, and here is an old tag just to compare them so you can sort of see the difference. I actually like these new tags. I think the new branding and the new colors are very lovely. I've heard some mixed responses about the change from pastel pink to more of a vibrant hot pink, but personally I think that it's really nice and it's a good direction to go in. Now moving on to the clips themselves, they are matte acrylic clips with a sparkly glittery background, and they are actually very sturdy on their little metal plates. I was very impressed because I have thick hair and they stay comfortably, they don't snag, and they're not too lightweight. They depict a little cat with an Angelic pretty logo on it, and the different colorways are actually just different colors of bows. So I got the lavender colorway, which means that it has cute little lavender bows on it. All in all, I'm really impressed with these. Moving on to actual things from the series, this is the neon logo bracelet, if I recall correctly. I think it sold for about $35–40. It's just a bracelet with plastic beads in pink, purple, and black with a purple Angelic pretty logo. I got this lavender version specifically because it would match the black skirt, because the black skirt has lavender charms on it. It's comfortable, it's a little bit big on me, but most AP bracelets are. So moving on to the head bow. This is one of the headband style head bows that they've been releasing fairly frequently as of late, and I like them because they're actually more comfortable than a regular headband. However, they are not as easy to wear with a wig. This one's lightly wired and it's made from the same material as the dress. The next thing we can look at is the jacket, which is made out of a standard windbreaker material, kind of like any windbreaker you would buy in the store. Be aware that despite this being a 3/4 sleeve jacket, you would not want to wear this in particularly hot weather. I live in a place that gets fairly hot in the summer, and I would roast like a potato if I tried to wear this before autumn. I looked around at the stitching, and it looks pretty solid. I don't see any flyaways. It's actually a double zipper, and I'll show you here. The zipper has the AP logos on it on both sides. The zipper glides fairly smoothly, and it also has the same lavender buttons as the one-piece dress. Moving on to the skirt, which I also purchased in the black colorway. The skirt is made from the same material as the collar of the dress, and it has a nice purple belt on it made from the same material, and little purple pockets with sparkly trim. I'll go into the print details later, but just looking at the stitching and construction of the dress, I was quite impressed. I had extremely low standards because before this I had just received the Fantastic Dolly and Honey Cake made-to-orders, and both rather disappointing to say the least. However, the hems here all look even, and I don't see any flyaways or any poor stitching or any uneven hems, which is more of a dress of the value I would expect here. It is fully sheared on the back, meaning that there's lots of ease of room and it's going to be very comfortable to wear. The skirt has ribbon loops that make it easy to hang on a standard hanger, and here are the tags sewn into the hem. Removing the belt, we can see that we have a standard clasp on the dress as well as a standard AP zipper. I haven't come across any snags on it yet, even though I've worn it quite a few times since I purchased it, which indicates solid construction and even stitching. One detail I like about this dress is the heart tulle lace, which I think is very cute, and it's something that's very subtle. You won't notice it unless you're up close with the dress. The actual print is crisp with a lovely diner motif, which includes soda, popcorn, diner signs, roller skates, gumball machines, and stars. It's a very cute print, and I was impressed by its vibrant use of colors, since AP has been known in the past for fairly undersaturated coloring. So I'll leave you to enjoy the print details. Now that you've basked in the glory of the print, we can move on to the try-on, which I was quite impressed with how comfortable it was. I paired it with an Angelic pretty cutso, as well as some fishnet tights and my favorite hot pink Milky Bear. The skirt is circle style, meaning it has plenty of room to fit a petticoat, and it is a fairly standard length for AP skirts, which bear in mind means it is slightly shorter than the dresses themselves. If you're extremely tall, I would advise against purchasing the skirt and go for a one-piece or a jumper skirt instead. The jacket is comfortable enough to wear in the autumn, and also I was able to get the headband over a wig with a little bit of finagling, which was ideal because my hair is definitely in quarantine mode right now. My favorite features of the series are probably the collar on the jacket as well as the adorable belt on the skirt. It's something casual enough for daily wear, but it's also something that you can really dress up for AP events or something similar, and the colors are perfect for my otherwise unused bright pink Milky Bear. Overall, I'm really happy with what I got for the price point, especially the skirt, which is very cute and very versatile. The quality of Angelic pretty pieces that I ordered in 2019 was fairly inconsistent, so I was really happy to see that the quality here has improved significantly and there are a lot more details than there were in a lot of the things that I purchased last year. I still feel like the materials they're using could certainly use some improvements, but overall this was a very good series and I hope to see more like this in the future.